This car is awesome.
Not bad, right?
No.
A little bit of gas money.
Yeah, right?
No, this is wife money. That looks better in person than it does on TV. Hey, this is Sam Moore. I just won this 1970 Cuda from RestoMods and 50,000 in cash. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. Wow. That looks better in person than it does on TV.
Oh yeah, she does.
YouTube and all that.
Oh yeah.
Man, that is sharp. You know, the drip rails off of it looks sweet.
Oh yeah, there's tons of little custom body work, all kinds of tucked edges. But they didn't go too far, you know, they didn't, they left the chrome up here on the windshield trim.
I like the offset wheels too. They look sweet.
Not bad, right?
Golly.
Yeah,
I knew it'd be nice, but not this nice. This is a nice car I've seen.
Yeah, and it's yours.
That's awesome.
Give it a pull.
Wow.
And that's your seat.
That is crazy. The layout of the dash is awesome too.
Yeah. All new digital gauges, and then it's got, of course, the pistol grip.
Yeah, the pistol grip's sick. Wow. Nice thing I own. That's better than your Jeep. No.
She's like, what? My
That
Jeep?
24 Wagoneer.
Yeah, that's a nice car. This one might beat it in the
Man.
quarter mile, though.
Yeah. Well, I don't know, that twin turbo V6 is pretty quick.
No, give it a run. We'll
Yeah.
see. I like this. You have to send us a video of that.
No kidding. She'll race me too. Wow. I'm
I
so
love it.
nervous.
No, nothing to be
Man,
nervous
that-
about. And you own a couple cars already, right? This is going to be
Yeah.
an addition to your collection?
Yeah. Like,
Yeah. Did I hear right? You had a 71 Charger Daytona?
Or just a regular Charger.
Oh, okay.
The 71 is a Magnum 500.
Oh, Magnum 500. That's
Yeah,
what it
the
was.
383, 727, and my 71 I sold my nephew, so now he's got it. And
Yeah,
I've got
keep it in the
this.
family. And then now you got this.
My grandparents, 71 GMC pickup, they bought brand new. I bought it
Wow.
off my uncle here not long
Wow.
ago.
Keep it in the family. I like
Yeah.
it.
But it's pretty awesome too. But they're not as nice as this.
Well,
This is
this
sick.
one's yours.
Gonna start it up?
Yeah, go for it. It's your car. Do whatever you want.
Oh, sweet. Wow. This car is awesome.
Not bad, right?
No. Jeez. The carbon fiber's sharp. Man, this
That's gonna be your
is
new home right
nice.
there in that driver's seat.
Boy, it feels comfortable too.
I bet.
It's not sunk in yet, but when I drive it, it will.
Well, this will help it sink in a little bit. This is your title to your new car, and so it's all released for you.
Yeah.
And then here's 50 grand
Nice.
that you're getting
Wow.
along with this thing because, you know, it's to help you out with taxes, everything else. So you can enjoy this thing.
That's crazy.
A little bit of gas money.
Yeah, right?
No, this is wife money. But when I go to the casino, whatever, I split any winnings, so I get
there you
that,
go.
she'll get
That's
that.
the winning, so, yeah.
It's a 50-50.
There you go.
Well, I didn't believe the phone call at first. I thought it was going to be some sales call or buy some more entries or whatever to try chances to win. I didn't expect to win this 70 Cuda.
Well, but did you think it was real at first?
At first I didn't, and I was at my wife's work and told her about it, and I don't think she believed me, honestly, but it's hard to believe myself, but it's real. Well, originally I had bought the membership for the 70 Charger, or the 68 Charger, I guess it was. But it was the first time I'd done the entry in it, and I'd done the membership then. I didn't expect this phone call at all. So,
You want to give us a quick, short list of what you do have in the garage at home?
65 Impala SS. It's got a now a 6.0 6-speed. Got a 71 Charger. It's got a Magnum 500, which is 383 727. The 71 Charger I sold to my nephew, but it's got a 318 with a 904. And I got a 71 GMC with my grandparents bought new, and it's got 350 training. But the cars are our life pretty much.
That is a Hemi Cuda.
Yeah, this is pretty special.
Who was the first person that you told after hearing you won, and what was their reaction?
Oh, it was my wife at the time. And I've called everybody since then, and nobody really believes me, think it's a gimmick and all that, but it's for real. Oh yeah, I've told several friends, and one's like, well, I'll see it when I believe it, and you give me 10 grand for, so like I could charge you 10 grand for a ride in it. So.
What's the story behind your love for classic cars and who inspired it?
I just grew up around it with my dad and all that. Started off cleaning motors when it was little bitty. That was our job, cleaning motors, and finally graduated pulling motors and then building cars. And luckily my wife doesn't have any problem with me building cars and spending money on cars, and she knows how much the cars mean to me. Like my brother's 65 Impala SS, that means everything to me. Just cars are a deep connection with family, in my opinion.
What was your first car growing up?
58 Chevy pickup. Yeah, I had a 283 with the 3-speed in the tree. So, old school. Actually, when we got the plane tickets and all that, it was kind of second guess. It's like, it can't be happening to me. This is too much for me to get. I mean, I don't do anything special to deserve this, but this is awesome. I appreciate y'all. Take it to car shows, show it off, and brag about RestoMods. So, it's real. Don't give up. Things happen. I mean, you got to buy a shirt, keychain, hat, I mean, or the membership, whatever. I didn't expect it to happen to me, but it's real, and keep trying.